The global world wealth is shifting, and now the money's flowing into Japan rather than out of Japan. See, over the last couple of years, Japan has experienced a massive decrease in growth in terms of the economic standards and money within the country, as most of the funds were being invested outside of Japan. So, companies that are based outside of Japan, other digital assets, unlike Jasmy, that were not in Japan, were growing. But this and today, there is a shift that was just announced. The Japanese economy is officially returning to its growth momentum as now money begins getting invested into Japan and, most importantly, in Japanese companies. In fact, even Europe is now buying into Jasmy or Japanese-based companies like Jasmy, which is likely to actually show a massive pump to occur for the Jasmy coin. In fact, we are already seeing it in the charts where the cross orange line on the daily and the buy signal will likely take us to 1 cent plus or Jasmy. We are expecting major resistance at the white trend line and the prior range tops. Last 3 times I got these buy signals, excluding the chop zone, the green arrows were associated with the moves in order from left, right, time 1, 2, 3, where you're trying to buy low and sell high. The point is, we are going to see a massive Jasmy breakout that is going to occur. That's going to actually trigger the value of Jasmy to new highs. What is the price that we're going to see? Well, this could happen in the next 48 hours. This is when we see the price of Jasmy go all the way up to around 1.5 cents. But this is only the start as Jasmy makes its way up into the double digits, and then of course into the hundreds and thousands of dollars. This will take time, but it will happen as more and more money begins flowing into the Jasmy token, and most importantly, Europe continues to invest heavily into Japan. Now, before we jump right into it, we have to announce our massive Jasmy giveaway. Yes, we are giving away an absolute ton of Jasmy, and all you have to do is tap that like button, subscribe to the channel with your post notifications on, share this video, and most importantly, you have to sign up to Uphold using the link in the description. Not only are you going to get free Jasmy, but most importantly, you're actually going to get the money to buy Jasmy, which allows you to increase your portfolio or withdraw the money if you just want to pay your bills or pay expenses. It's literally free money, it takes less than 5 minutes, and it's a great way for you guys to just grow your portfolio by spending absolutely no money. Again, you must sign up and do a transaction, whether it's a penny, a dollar, $10, any amount, but you must do a transaction to get your free referral bonus. That being said, let's get right into the video. We start off today's video with Jasmy up about 1.84% on the 24 hours. Price is 0.005063. The market capitalization is sitting at 1.87% up at $249.6 million. The volume in the last 24 hours is down about 0.50% at $22.61 million. The volume to market cap ratio in the last 24 hours is at 7.14%, with the total circulating supply of 49.3 billion Jasmy and a total max supply of 50 billion Jasmy. And of course, the recovery is absolutely massive. You guys can see that right there. We are seeing the charts and it's moving up. This is what we want, guys, as we are looking to see the continuous rise in the price of Jasmy, and I believe this is going to continue on happening as more partnerships and more volume opens up to the Jasmy community. Forward. The European Union-Japan Economic Partnership Agreement has officially been released that basically highlights that Japan and the European Union will sign a protocol to include cross-border data flow and investments between both countries, with, of course, Europe highlighting that they're looking to invest in Japan into technology-based companies like, guess who? Jasmy Labs. It makes sense because when you go into Japan and you want IT technology or IoT technology or anything part of data, privacy, or cybersecurity, Jasmy is the leading data company there, which is actually run by Sony and a bunch of other massive companies, and really Jasmy is like the venture capital company. In fact, Sony has even highlighted that Jasmy is a venture company of them, meaning that they actually own and invest in the Jasmy Labs company as well. So they're the leading company for IT technology and for cybersecurity and for all of those type of technologies. So when the European Union comes to Japan, it makes sense that the company they're going to invest in is Jasmy. Now, of course, the Jasmy Labs company actually have a Jasmy coin. And of course, this is what we're talking about. Now, the Jasmy coin is important because it is utilized by the Jasmy Labs company, meaning if money is flowing and invested into Jasmy Labs, indirectly it actually ends up flowing into the Jasmy coin, increasing the demand of the coin, decreasing the supply. For example, as part of the Avista PC, which is partnered with Avis and the Jasmy Labs company, there is a program within this PC that utilizes the Jasmy Labs technology, and that Jasmy Labs technology actually ends up utilizing the Jasmy coin, resulting in a decrease in supply of the Jasmy Labs token, and of course a massive demand for it. Price rises as a result. And well, as more and more building happens for Jasmy Labs, again, more and more flow of wealth and revenue into the Jasmy Labs company, which we're beginning to see now significantly more than we did before, we are going to see a higher value per Jasmy. Again, here's an example of some more building. It says Jasmy's building up. See you, December 2024. This is for January. We're looking at massive demand. We're looking at massive things happening for Jasmy Labs and more use case. In fact, Jasmy Labs is promoting like crazy. We're seeing even their marketing fund has increased. And again, it all shows us that there is going to be massive success in this upcoming bull run. We will likely see those 3, 4, 5-digit numbers. It is crazy as it may sound, but seeing $20, $30 per Jasmy is not as shocking when you see all of the wealth that is going to be flowing into the Jasmy Labs. And we're talking billions, millions of dollars really going in on a daily basis. So when that much money starts flowing, $20, $30 per Jasmy is not as shocking as it may be. In fact, we're even seeing partnerships now that are officially unveiling and exclusive offerings to Jasmy holders, which this is something that I want to talk about a bit today, because if you're a Jasmy holder, you want to be able to capitalize on the Japanese Jasmy opportunities that Jasmy Coin is making you and giving you, specifically when it pertains to you generating more and more wealth. If you're a Jasmy holder, you want to watch this portion of the video. This is critical, as you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars just by this alone, generating yourself wealth like you have never seen. Basically, the crypto trading fund officially unveiled a perfect opportunity and an exclusive opportunity, most importantly, to Jasmy holders. We've talked about this opportunity for some time, where Jasmy holders are not able to accumulate passive income just by owning the CTF token, but to own the CTF token, you must be a Jasmy holder. Meaning, if you are doing things correctly, you can capitalize, begin making hundreds, if not, I think, a couple $1,000s a month just by owning CTF token, because you're an exclusive Jasmy coin holder. And I own this coin here, so I ended up buying it too because I think it's a great idea. I've already been making passive income, and I can really say that I'm happy about the amount of money you're making. If you guys are not, you haven't done your research, you didn't really do this, it's simple and easy. All you have to do to begin earning passive income is actually get in on the CTF token. And again, you head to ctftoken.com. I'll link it in the description. Go to buy CTF token. You can buy it on the XRP Ledger or the Polygon chain. But to earn passive income, you should buy it on the Polygon chain. And then, of course, you get in and you begin earning passive income. Now, not only is this fantastic because you're earning passive income, but most importantly, because the price is skyrocketing. Let's talk about that. Because when we talk about Jasmy, we know there's a 50 billion total supply. We know the price is less than a penny or less than half a penny, and there's about 60,000 holders. This token, the CTF token, is a different game here. We're talking about low supply, very early in the game with only 1,300 holders and massive potential. We're talking about $270 from 30 cents right now. The price is going vertical, and this is not my words, but the words of other analysts like Jack the Ripper or XRP Whale. All these guys are saying we are about to see CTF token going parabolic. Why? Because it is still very early. Again, they're not listed on any major centralized exchange yet. They're still in the beginning process and only 1,300 holders. And what we're seeing is there is going to be a supply shock very soon. The demand is coming, and even there has been news that has been released by the Crypto Trading Fund, and I'll show you guys that shortly right here, which states in the next 48 hours, we're going to see one of the largest booms, basically, because an extremely important milestone is approaching in 48 hours. The CTF token will cross a critical marker, and it's start to increase access as we become listed on one of the largest cryptocurrency market displays. This is going to be an extremely exciting and important moment for all those involved, both on the XRPL and the Polygon, and we continue with fast steps towards global access of our passive income framework. So in 48 hours, everything can change, and the price of CTF may skyrocket. So the earlier you can get in, the quicker you can capitalize, the better it is for you. Now, let me make this clear. I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys to buy into CTF. Neither am I telling you guys to buy into XRP. But what I'm saying is, or even Jasmy, or any coin, in fact. But what I'm saying is, do your research, because you don't want to be that one individual that didn't do his research on this token and ended up skyrocketing to $270 in just 48 hours. And because you didn't do your research, because you slacked, you decided that you lost the opportunity to become a multimillionaire. This is your chance. I'm telling you guys it because, again, I own this token. I see the potential. I've done my research. What I'm telling you guys is do your own research as well. Look into it, because you never know. If this coin makes you a millionaire and you did your research, again, it doesn't take that long. You did your research. You decided to invest some money in. You took the risk, and then it went to $270. Well, you became a multimillionaire, and you well up deserved it because you took the risk and you did the research. So that's all I'm saying here. Do the research. Don't miss out. The CTF token, again, it's an exclusive opportunity for Jasmy holders. So if you own Jasmy, this is your chance to earn passive income, to start making making money because the value of the CTF token is skyrocketing. It allows you to earn passive income and value it for Jasmy, grow that portfolio, earn that passive income so that eventually you can maybe even reinvest that money into other digital assets. So I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Don't forget to tap the like button, subscribe to the channel, share this video. And like I said, if you do want to get yourself some money through Uphold to get yourself some Jasmy tokens, all you got to do is sign up on Uphold using the link in the description and then do a transaction, any amount, a penny, $1, $10, any number. But once that's complete, you'll get the free referral bonus. And again, you will be able to trade on Uphold and you'll get, most importantly, the free money to buy yourself Jasmy. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time and peace.